on separate controllers. Huh. Different Westminsters. I want the 2-speed one. One of them's coming. Oh yeah, we'll just push this one too. Oh, looks like this one's here. Huh. Looks like the other one's here now. Interesting place. Neat boutique hotel. That's funny. The two elevators are on separate controllers. Wait, it's funny, the two chimes played at once. Hold on. There's a bull wearing human clothes. Or I think that's a Highland cow, I'm pretty sure. Funny how they have no floor lockout even for the authorized personnel back door.